welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing how I edit using Imovie. A lot of people think that Imovie is a really bad app, but I think it's a great app if you know how to use it properly, which is what I'm going to tell you in this video. So let's get started. First, we're going to open up Imovie, so you're just going to want to open up Imovie on your MacBook or your phone, and you're going to want to click the little plus button, and you're going to want to create a new project. Once you get this, you can import from your camera roll by dragging the video that you want onto your desktop and then into the timeline, or you can put in your SD card and click the arrow and you should be able to import from there. First, we're going to make a video outline, or like the rough video. Import all your videos onto your timeline and put it in how you want it to be. Then you're going to want to scroll to an unwanted part and press Ctrl V. Do it again and then delete that clip, and now you should be left with the video that you want. If you want to undo something, press Ctrl Z and this will undo that. And if you want more options or another way to split the clip, you can have two fingers and your touch bar and you should get more options that will show up. To adjust the clip, you can also drag the end of the clip to where you want it and that will shorten the clip. Once you get the video outline done, then you can start moving on with the creative parts of editing by using like text and adding cool effects to your videos. Now I'm going to show you how I do text on Imovie. Text on Imovie is pretty boring and plain, and it's very limited. So we're going to use our phone and go into Fonto. Once you have Fonto, you're going to want to click the little camera button, click plain images, and select the green color. Make the dimensions 1280 by 720. This is the size of a YouTube video. Press the arrow and then press use. Click on your screen and it'll say add text. Type whatever you want and click a font that you want. Fonto has a lot of great fonts already, but if you want more fonts, you can go to dafont.com. I'll now show you how to install a font on dafont.com. First, you want to go to the website dafont.com, and you're going to want to find a few fonts that you like or a font that you like, and you're going to want to click download. It will come up at the top of your screen with a little arrow, and you're going to click on it and it will send it to your file. Once you're in files, the font name should be there. You're going to want to click on it and another folder will appear. Open the folder and you're going to want to click the font name with the TTF at the end. Press the little box with the arrow button and press copy to Fonto. Once you're in Fonto, you're going to want to press install and the font should now be in your fonts. After this, you can go to Pixar and add stars or whatever you want to like spice up the green screen. Send this to your MacBook, whether through messages or through AirDrop. Drag it into your Imovie timeline. Place the clip on top of the video that you want. See a new icon with like a little rectangle and then another rectangle over it, and you want to click on it and hit green screen. It should now make your green screen transparent now. Another app that you can use is Keynote. Keynote is an app already on your MacBook, or you can download it on the App Store for free. And this, you can get like some cool animations and it's really fun to use. So first, you're going to want to open up Keynote and you're going to press new document, and it'll give you a ton of themes, but you're just going to want to click white, and then there's like a little thing that says you can change the color background, and you're going to want to pick a shade of green. Next, you can add your text and then change the text to however you want by changing the font or the color of it. Click animate and press add effects. Now you should get a ton of cool effects that you can use to edit your text, but my personal favorite one is typewriter. Next, you're going to want to save it to your desktop and then drag it into the timeline and repeat the process as we did before. That's just another cool way to spice up your video. Now we're going to talk about green screen effects. Green screen effects I like to use are like the moving stars or like the glitching stars, or really anything that's kind of like moving. First, you want to look up green screens on YouTube and you should find a lot of them. Screen record this on your phone or your MacBook using QuickTime Player, and then save it to your camera roll and put it into Imovie. Repeat the same process as we did for the text. So you're just going to want to go to the rectangle again and press green screen. Make sure you give credit to the creator, because the creator put in a lot of effort into make that video, and it would just be nice to shout them out in your description box. Okay, now we're going to talk about transitions. There's a few ways I like to do this. First, go to Fonto and we're going to make a new background. Make a new project with the dimensions 1280 by 720. And again, this is the YouTube video size that we want to use. Select whatever color you like for your background. Go to the three little bars at the end and you should be able to add a ton of items. You can like add stars or triangles or anything you want, or you can also add your own picture. Once you save it, you're going to want to move all the things again to however you like it and save it to your camera roll. Then send everything to your MacBook and put it onto your iMovie timeline. Make each clip about like 0.3 seconds and keep copying and pasting them into your timeline. It should look something like this. Another way I like to do transitions is using a moving background. So what you're going to want to do is go to YouTube and look up aesthetic background. You'll find like the moving clouds, or you'll find like an animated moving screen, and you can just screen record that and save it to your phone and send it to your MacBook. Add text to the top of it and it just looks something like this. Now I'm going to teach you how to entertain your viewers. One way to do this is using Kensburn. Click the video that you want, and you're going to want to go to like the little crop thing at the top of the screen and click Kensburn. This will make the video only zoom in on your face and then it'll cut back out. This will make a cool effect and it'll make your viewers more engaged to what you're trying to say. You can do crop. You're going to want to do the same thing as you did before. Go to the little crop button, like the little square, and you're going to want to put crop to fit. Then crop the video to how you like it. This is like Kensburns, but it's just a little bit more dramatic. Next, we're going to use clip filters. So first, you're going to want to go onto your iMovie and click the 3 little circles on the top. Once you hit that, you're going to want to hit clip filters. You'll see a ton of filters show up for your videos. Select whatever one you like and play around with your videos to how you like it. Another way you can entertain your viewers is by using audio effects. So first, you're going to want to go to the same thing we did before, the 3 little circles, and this time we're going to hit audio effects. You'll see a ton of really cool audio effects, and this will make your video funnier. Sound effects. Sound effects also will add a ton of things to your video. They'll add like an element of surprise. So to do this, you're going to want to go to audio, click sound effects, and iMovie actually has a ton of great sound effects that you can use. So you can just play around with those and you'll find a lot of great ones. Last tip I have to entertain your videos more is to add music. Music can make a video less boring and it can kind of make your voice sound a little bit better. For the music, I like to go to hellothematic.com. It is a free site and all you have to do is sign up, and you can filter through a ton of music that it's all copyright free as long as you give credit to the creator in your description box. Once you find a song that you like, you're going to want to hit download and it should automatically start downloading to your laptop. Once it has finished downloading, you're going to want to go to audio and hit music. And you're going to want to search for the music that you just added to your timeline. If you're using music as a background music to your videos when you're talking, make sure to not drown out what you're saying by hitting the little volume button on the top, by lowering the volume of the other clips, or just by lowering the volume in general. Using multiple overlays, it will give you endless possibilities to your videos. The only issue is that iMovie only allows one overlay on top of your videos, but there's a hack for this. Create another project and add the overlay that you want onto your video and save it to your desktop. Once you save it to your desktop, you're going to want to go into your project that you're currently working on and you want to drag that in. Then you'll be able to add another overlay on top of your video. This can take more time, but will be worth it in the end. So that's all I have in this video for today. If you want another video going into a little bit more detail maybe, or maybe just a little bit more tips, I can certainly do that. Just comment down below and give me a like, and I will certainly do that. But for now, just be creative and keep on editing and you will get better at it. So peace out.